Saddleback Educational Publishing's The Blacksmith. Luann had just turned 14. It was her birthday. "I found you a job," Miss Todd said, "with the blacksmith." "What?" Luann was an orphan. 14 was too old. She had to leave the home. It was time to get a job. But the blacksmith? That was hard work. She would sweat from the heat. No boy would like that. Luann packed a small suitcase. She walked uptown. A man stood at a fireplace. Red coals sparked. "Good day, sir," she called. "I am here to train." He looked her up and down. His frown said it all. "My name is Sam." His voice was gruff. "Mind what I say." He handed her an apron. It was dark with grime. Luann put it on. That night, she fell into bed. Her back ached. Dirt caked her skin. She cried herself to sleep. Each day was the same. Luann stoked the flames. Sam gave her small tasks. People stared. Some teased her. "Girls are maids or cooks," a boy shouted. "What is wrong with you?" Her cheeks burned. It took time, but she gained strength. Her skill grew. She focused on her work. Taunts faded. Weeks passed. They had a backlog. A stagecoach needed rims. The inn asked for spoons. "I will do the spoons," Luann said. Sam paused. She had not yet worked on her own. "Do not make me regret it." Luann heated the metal. She pounded it. Then she shaped and buffed. The spoons gleamed. Sam smiled. "Well, bowl me over. You were born to do this." Luann sweated every day. Her hands were never clean, but she took pride in her work. One day, she met a boy. He was proud of her, too. They soon wed.